Good afternoon, Lavanya and Akuti. So let us first check your homeworks, which you all have done and many of you have submitted to me yesterday. It's very good. Today I will share with all of you the Google Classroom address. So all of you just join there also. And in a week, I think, whenever there is a homework on Google Classroom, so submit it on time and the marks will be allotted for that. Fine. So yesterday's homework, any question you people want to ask from there? They were simple numbers. So I will ask you by name, okay? So the student whom I will ask, he or she only will reply. Please follow the rule and be in discipline. So I think up to fourth you all have done nicely. Okay, let me give you another question. All of you note down the question with me and solve in your notebook. Write today's date. Yes, note down in your answer sheet and let me ask you by name, I think. So Pratha, can you answer me here? Lavanya, give an answer. Lavanya, write the answer also in the Roman numeral. So it is 19 to here. And we have to subtract 65. Twenty-seven. So here Parth, Akruti, and 1547. Fine. Now the exercise questions, you may complete them all. Okay. Your exercise, actually I think many of you have old books, so it is already filled. And one of the activity you all people may do is, you may all try to write the ages of your parents and your complete family using Roman numeral. Okay? What you can do, the name of your family member, your father, mother, grandfather, yourself, okay? Then the age in Hindu Arabic. Suppose a member of your family is age is 34. Now here you may write it in Roman numeral. After that you know all. So name, age and in Roman numeral. So this is one of the activity you may perform. I think all of you got it, what I am telling you now. So now arrange in ascending order. Numbers I have to change a little bit, huh? Arrange these four numbers in ascending order. Yes, you have to write, all of you just note down. Okay, so the smallest one is 4 and 6. So XC4 is 94, 96. Then you have now please help me in finding sum of the predecessor and successor. Note down the question, write the predecessor of. Predecessor. Write the predecessor of first, $20,000. Here you all can write the predecessor. प्री एग्जाम्स होती है ना, प्री बोर्ड्स होती हैं, प्री वी नो पहले. यस, सो विच नंबर इज कमिंग जस्ट बिफोर 20,000? कैन एनीबॉडी जस्ट राइट इट इन वर्ड्स? क्या आप इसे वर्ड्स में लिख सकते हैं? 19,999. Okay, fine. Now just tell me the predecessor of what is the predecessor of 3 lakh? Let's see how quickly you can answer. 3 lakhs. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Then it comes lakh. So we are talking about 3 lakh. Will come just before 3 lakh. Abhishek Sharma, Parth Shukla, I can't able to see your answers. We know that in Indian system we are putting the first comma after 3 places, yes? And then after 2 places. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 lakh. Who comes just before 3 lakh? 2 lakh, 99,999. So please put the comma when you are writing in Indian or international place value system. Okay. Now the third one, predecessor of thirty lakh. What is the predecessor of 30 lakh? 29 lakhs 29,999. Very good. So if we move ahead, 30 lakh. Now I am going to what is the predecessor here? Five lakh 95,999. Very good. So here in the predecessors, we have seen up to lakh places. In our Indian place value system, we all know we have ones, place, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Anybody just give me an example of an amount nearly lakh rupees. If you heard somewhere where we are using in lakh. Suppose when we are counting the number of people, suppose in Garchandur how many people are living there? Okay, what is the population of that town? So the population of town may comes in lakh. So let us see some of the examples from your side. lakh और 10 lakh. कुछ एग्जांपल्स दीजिए जो आपने देखे हो नियर अराउंड यू. थिंक एंड स्पीक. lakh or 10 lakh place. एग्जाम्पल्स आखिर कहां पे यूज करते हैं हम? student appearing for board exams. Very good, Akriti. The number of students who are appearing for board exams, it is coming in like, yes, you have to write. Okay, it's a good thing. Sir, we have to write it. Just example I want, number of people in Maharashtra. Okay, when we are counting the number of people, fine. Pratyaksh Trivedi, I want example. Rashi, example like students are writing population or the number of students. Any another example? Books for schools. Okay, in lab. Yes, in library. Suppose books in library. Tomorrow I will give you the exact number that in total how many books are there in our library. Three lakh people in Mumbai. No, there are not 3 lakh people, Anushri. Once you cross check Anushri and tomorrow you may tell us what is the population of Mumbai. For counting money for racing car. Number of villages in India. Very good, very good. Nityam Chauhan ने बाल गिन दिए भाई. There are 10 lakh hairs. Usage of lockdown period. Number of villages in India. Very good. So Lavanya is going to tell us tomorrow in our class what is the exact number of villages in India. Fine. To count the number of bicycles. Number of factories in India. Very good. Navya got the number of factories. Let's see. There are the factories are in lakh or not. Fine. Number of students in a school. Fine. I may tell you that now our school there are nearly 900 students. Okay. So number of students in a school is in maximum in 1000 or in 10,000. Okay, but if you talk about the number of students in a university, जो colleges होते हैं, there it varies. Blood count. Member of 5-star hotel. Members of 5-star hotels. सो प्रत्यक्ष त्रिवेदी मेंबर्स जो है वो लैक्स में हो सकते हैं क्या किसी 5-स्टार होटल में ऑलरेडी इन 5-स्टार होटल्स आर वेरी कॉस्टली सो देयर आर लेस पीपल देयर नंबर ऑफ शॉप्स इन राजूरा इट इज आल्सो आई डोंट थिंक इट इज इन लैक वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट लैक ओके आप इसमें थोड़ा सा फोकस करो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ वेरी लार्ज अमाउंट Labhansh, this is not possible that there are 1 lakh students in a school. Fine. Okay, good. So there are so many examples we got. You all may do one thing. Whichever your IPL best cricket team. Okay, suppose if I like Sunriser Hyderabad. So I will search today on Google the population of Hyderabad. And tomorrow you will put your question and your friends are going to write it in words. Fine. Let's see tomorrow how we will make it more interesting. So you come up with the data and you will ask in numbers, and your friends will going to write it in words. And after 10 lakh, what is there? Can anybody tell me? If I go nearly at 9 plus 1, 10, 0. This is a 8-digit number. Okay, so as somebody asked, the number of students appearing for board exams. So nearly over 1 crore students appeared previous year. This is one of the information now only I got from Google. So one of the students was telling the number of students appearing in board exams. So nearly 1 crore students. So we'll take it in a more smooth manner. Tomorrow all of you come up with some examples, some accurate data, whatever you wish. So thanks everyone.